All right, everyone. So today we're going to learn a new game called Coordinate Place 4. And the purpose of this game is to really practice graphing different coordinate pairs. So to play the game, you need a game board that looks like this, and then you need some different color markers. One of the teams is Team 1. For purposes of this game, we'll call Team 1 the blue team, and Team 2 will be the red team. So the way the game works is if Team 1 is going first, they have to decide which coordinate that they want to plot their point on. Remember, going this way is the x-axis, going this way is the y-axis, and when we plot coordinate points, we always do the x-axis number first. Okay, so if I'm on the blue team and I decide that I want to go, let's see, over 2 and up 2, for example, then I'm going to write in 0.2, 2, and, oops. And then I'm going to move one of my blue counters to 0.22. Okay, and so then it's the red team's turn, and the goal of the game is to get 4 of your chips in a row. So that could be side to side, that could be up and down, that could be diagonally. So now it's Team 2's turn, the red team. So again, you decide which coordinate you want to take first. And so for Team 2, let's zoom in a little bit here. Let's say you kind of want to block one way that the blue team might go here. So I want to go to 0.32. So I'm going to write 3, 2 in, and then I'm going to take that coordinate point. All right, and this is the way that the game continues. So now we're back to the blue team. And remember, there's some strategy involved. So if I'm trying to get 4 in a row, I have to think about how could I best get 4 in a row, either up and down in a column or left and right, horizontally or diagonally. So I might want to, if I'm on the blue team here, I might want to do 2, 1, over 2, up 1. And remember, I'm going to record that first. 2, 1, and then I can go to take 0.21. So the red team now can choose another point. And they might choose to take, well, remember, you're supposed to write it in first. So let's see, if I'm on the red team, I would probably want to take maybe 0.23 and block the blue team. That would also give me a diagonal option right here. So red team 0.23. For my second move. Over here, these are giving you the move numbers that you're making. And then I can take my, my red chip, and I can put it on, so over 2, up 3. And the game continues like this until you get a winner who has 4 chips in a row. And you continue with writing down your coordinate points. So since we're at home, since you guys are at home, I'm going to be posting a game board with some chips that have already been played. And on the chips, there's going to be the number of the play. So like blue team's first play will have a number 1 on their blue chip. Red team's first play will have a 1. And your job is going to be to write down the different coordinates of all the different moves that the teams have made so far. There's spots for 12 total moves in a game, but the sheet that you're going to be filling out doesn't have all 12 moves. All right, so again, we were working on graphing, and we were working on graphing coordinate points, making sure that we're using the x-axis first for our first coordinate pair point in my coordinate pair, and then the y-axis number second.